Instead of leaving with Enid and going into hiding, you are now using her as bait to lure Hyde.
This will work.
Only if you get close enough to jab Tyler with a needle. And that assumes the recipe for Thornhill's brew is correct. You can't even master your own ability, and now you want to master a Hyde.
It's the only way to get Tyler back into his cage.
Please. We both know there isn't an altruistic bone in your body. This is about your pathological need to control everything.
Go find some other distant relative to stalk.
Thornhill unlocked and controlled Tyler because she was methodical and detached. You have feelings for him.
I hate Tyler. End of story.
The type of girl you wanna chew all of my bubble gum. The type of girl you wanna chew all of my bubble gum. I'm the type of girl you wanna take to your mama house. Take to your mama house.